activities sa treatment ng mga Spanish colonizer sa mga Pilipino. So which is, labag sa iyang kalooban ang gusto nila na may self-governance ang atong own Philippines na mismo kita Pilipino ang magkontrol. Next is Bonifacius love for his country and people brought him to take action against Spanish colonial rule. He believed in the importance of self-governance and freedom for the Philippines. His bravery and sacrifice served as testament to the power of patriotism and national pride. So, si Bonifacius, ang pag-ibig ni Bonifacius daw sa ato country, which is amo atong nagdaya para Andres Bonifacio take action against the Spanish colonial rule. So isa na to ang na-witness nila, nasaksiyan nila na ang treatment na dili kaangay-angay na makita sa isa ka Pilipino na tagpasakitan sa atong own blood, which is Filipino, na nabag sila kauluban, which is nikamang sila na maghimo ng court, which is amo ato ang katbugan. Then, you believe in the importance of self-governance. So, gusto nila na self-governance, which is amo nagkakauna ko na dapat kita as Filipino, sa Philippines, sa ato country, which is kita dapat sa ang pagdaya. Then, freedom for the Philippines. So, syempre, one of the most important and goal ni Andres Bonifacio, magkaroon ng freedom, kalayaan sa ating bansa. And this bravery sacrifice serves as to the power of patriotism, ang pagiging mga bayan, and national pride. So next up, our second topic is about Emilio Aguinaldo. So first, Emilio Aguinaldo, born on March 22, 1869 in Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. Joined the Katipunan as a secret society founded by Andres Bonifacio and became a prominent leader. Played a crucial role in the Philippines revolution against Spanish colonial rule. Proclaimed the establishment of the first Philippine Republic on June 12, 1898 and became its first president, national pride. So, si Emilio Aguinaldo daw is nabuhay ng March 22, 1869 sa Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. Si Emilio Aguinaldo is na-involve sa unuman, na-involve sa katipunan na ginahimo ni Andres Bonifacio na organization. True ba? Sakto?
Saan? Kang
What?
Andres Bonifacio? Dili kang Emilio Aguinaldo. Si Andres Bonifacio ang nag-build, which is na-involve yapon si Andres Bonifacio.
Si Emilio Aguinaldo is na-involve sa tagimo ng grupo ni Andres Bonifacio. Correct. Then, nahimo sila sa na prominent leader. So, before sila na first president sa Philippines is niabot din na tayo si Emilio Aguinaldo ay nani-intra sa grupo ni natagimo ni Andres Bonifacio. Then, nahimo sila proclaim the establishment of the first Philippine Republic on June 12, 1898 and became its first president. So, dira tayo is nahimo na first president si Emilio Aguinaldo. So next, lead the resistance against American colonization during the Philippine-American War. Captured by American forces in 1901 and took an oath of alliance to the United States. So, si Emilio Aguinaldo daw is nag-lead resistance against American colonization during the Philippine and American War. So, what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? So, number 6 is the captured by American forces in 1901 and took oath of alliance to the United States. So, based sa akong research is si pagkahimo ni Ganda. So, nahimo si Emilio Aguinaldo na involved at grupo sa involved at grupo sa atong kagimo niya participation, which is ang atong katipunan na ang action nila is against sa mga colonizers in our country. So, pagkaiba yun ng American, so correct me if I'm wrong, pagkaiba yun ng American na na-involved si Emilio Aguinaldo at that time, which is ilagi captured sila. And then, pagka 1901, si Emilio Aguinaldo is took the oath of alliance to the United States. So, what do you mean by oath of alliance to the United States? Huh? Anyone? Kana siya is, at the time is captured si Emilio Aguinaldo sa laing country, Taga-Tuzda, kaya naibawaan na isa sa reason nga nang capture siya kaya naibawaan na interest involved siya at na bukod. Then, dito po dyan yung oath of alliance to the United States, isa kung may tawag yun, kanang isa una-una ang para sa kabuti ng bansa. So, ang unang isa kuha ng oath of alliance kay para dili na ang Philippine and American War. So, ibali ma-start na ito and ilan na makibali katawag yun sa English ka ng kakampi. Maayong companion na. Okay, companion. Ang United States. Tama ba?
Sakto na may alliance. Sakto na alliance.
Alliance. So, okay na. So, number 7. Served as President of the Philippine Commonwealth from 1935 to 1944. So, si Jasad is Emilio Aguinaldo nag-serve as President of Philippine Commonwealth from 1935 to 1944. So, pila ka years? So, 35, 36, 37, 38, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So, kibali, 10 years siya nag-serve as President of the Philippine Commonwealth. And number 8, advocating for the Philippine independence, which has achieved on July 4, 1946. Next. Okay. Emilio Aguinaldo's contribution to the fight for independence and his rule as the first President of the Philippines have solidified his place in the Philippine history. His leadership and sacrifices continue to be celebrated, inspiring future generations to value freedom and national pride. So, Emilio Aguinaldo Sablo is same lang sila ng goal, ng naglaong pa nila ng ang atong goal lagi na magkaroon ng freedom ang atong, which is ang atong country, the Philippines. And okay, so the relationship between Bonifacio and Aguinaldo is kaya ako nato ma-explain nga bukod sa atong pagkakuha nila, ang ilang contribution, ang ilang leadership style, no? So, si Aguinaldo focused on building a government and working with others, while Bonifacio focused on fighting for independence. So, the relationship between Bonifacio and Aguinaldo was complex, arising from difference and leadership style and ideology. Despite the differences, both was played pivotal roles in shaping the Philippines' history and struggle for independence. So, bisan pa nagkalalayan sila ng leadership style, no? Nagkalalayan sila ng plan para sa ating country, pero same na ang inatumong and goal, aim nila para sa ating country, which is magkaroon ng self-governance, independence, and freedom. And that's all. Thank you.